Steamed egg or zeng dan is very easy and it's delicious. And I'm sure you agree with me that for the longest time, we know this dish as soy dan, translated as water egg. So what is the secret to a good steamed egg? It is to add water, 1.5 portion of water to 1 portion of egg. This process is important. Usually I would cover with a plate, but for the purpose of this video, I'm using aluminium foil. Well, looks better ma video ho. It is to prevent the egg from bubbling up. Steam for 20 minutes on medium fire and this is what you will get. Really soft and jiggly. Look at that. And most important is our children loves it.